Welcome to our introductory course on criminology. We'll explore the complex world of crime, its causes, and our societal responses. Let's begin by laying the groundwork defining the field of criminology. What is crime? The obvious assumption instinctively. We may think of crime as an act violating a law, murder, theft, assault. These are clear-cut examples, but the concept of crime is far more nuanced. Legal definitions. Every society has laws outlining prohibited behaviors and associated punishment. These provide the most concrete definition of crime. But laws evolve. What is considered a crime shifts over time. Behaviors once illegal, like interracial marriage, are no longer treated as crimes in many societies. Conversely, new laws emerge to address issues like cyberbullying or environmental pollution. The social harm perspective. Criminologists also consider the broader concept of social harm. This includes action causing physical, emotional, or financial damage to individuals or society, even if they may not be explicitly illegal. Social construction of crime. The labeling of an act as criminal depends on social norms, power structures, and prevailing opinions. Activities deemed harmful by those in power might be criminalized, while the harmful behaviors of the powerful might go unpunished. What is criminology? Criminology is the scientific study of crime and criminals. It goes beyond simply defining crime to encompass a wide range of questions. Criminologists delve into why people commit crimes. Theories explore the interplay of biological, psychological, and social factors that might create predispositions to criminal behavior. They examine trends in criminal activity, where crimes occur, what types happen frequently, and who are the typical victims or perpetrators. A significant focus of criminology is the intricate workings of the criminal justice system itself. It looks at the roles of police, courts, and correctional institutions, aiming to understand their effectiveness and fairness. The ultimate goal of criminology lies in applying knowledge to prevent crime. Criminologists help design strategies ranging from early childhood intervention programs to effective rehabilitation methods. Key questions asked by criminologists. Why do crime rates change across different places and periods in history? What factors place individuals at greater risk of either committing or being victimized by crime? Are our criminal justice system effective in deterring crime and promoting rehabilitation? How does the public's perception of crime and criminals shape social and legal responses? Conclusion. Criminology offers no simple answers to the complex problem of crime. It recognizes the fluid nature of crime definitions and works across disciplines to provide evidence-based insights. Its aim is to improve societal responses to crime, promoting safer and more just communities.